Chad,
It's me.
how you living, baby?
I'm good. A bit tired, but yeah, I'm good. I'm getting older.
That's good.
You see?
Tell me about it.
Yeah, I
I'm
know.
happy to hear that. Happy to hear that aging hasn't ceased for you.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you.
The last thing we want is a Benjamin Button situation on our hands.
Oh, that or that I stopped getting old because
Yeah.
I'd be dead. So yeah, let's not go there.
All right. So, how have we measured up based on what we set out to do?
I did not follow the plan that we've laid out together
Okay.
in terms of how to set up my investment. I was supposed to go swing trade, split what I had in 4 trades and keep at that. That didn't work. Option was calling me. I know we talked about that also during our meetup. So I went that route, putting our plan aside. But in terms of profitability, I've been slapped in the face before making a bag with the snow options. So I was down more than 50%, I think, on my account. So my own plan wasn't working. Snow got me back on track, and it made me realize maybe I wasn't doing the right thing. I was trying to do like Tammy, trying to do too much with not enough time, and hoping and thinking that I would be on top of things, and that didn't work. Thank God for snow. It put me back on track and made me realize that. So I took a step back. Work got in the way as well. So, I mean, I had less and less time. So for some time, it was more, dividend plays and more boomer stuff, no thrills. And once I got back, more following Ethan on the tech stock, again with option plays. And everything has been great ever since, from November. I would say from November, since Snowflake, I met my goal. Yeah, it's doing good.
Okay. So,
But I'm following the plan. Yeah.
but the goal is now met because you're following a new plan. Whether it was the original or not,
Yep.
you found your place is the point here.
Yep.
And you feel confident and comfortable in that.
I feel more confident.
Okay.
Comfortable. I don't think I still feel comfortable, but more confident.
Secure. It'd be a more appropriate term. I mean,
Thank you.
so at the end of the day, this is risk on reward. And is it a yes or a no? Right? It's a simple equation.
Yep.
Would you say that the trades that you initiate, right? So the risk that you take on, does it meet the parameters that you set out to meet in terms of a yes or a no?
Now it does, yes.
Okay. And what has been the result of that?
Positive.
Bada bang.
Profits. Bada boom.
There it is. So let's give the man a little golf clap. Go around. I love the clap. You know that.
Like to be
Beautiful. I'm
honest.
happy to hear it, man.